Hey guys, Shooter from TradingApples.com. It is now 10:34 a.m. February 2nd, 2012. I just got into a long position on Apple, 200 shares at 470.90. Current price is 471.01, so it's kind of floating around that area of 471. The idea behind this trade is definitely TTB in mind here, and I did get in a little early, but the only reason I did is because it was kind of hanging around that level for a very long time. So, chances are it really wasn't going to make it back down to this level that it broke out of this morning, which was about 469.70. Chances are it wasn't going to make it all the way down there, especially in light of the fact that the bulls have been pretty much raging on in Apple as of late. So we're going to see if we can turn this into a nice position, possibly even break above 472, even into probably 473 before I'm going to start thinking about exiting this position. It might be a long haul. Things might get tied up really nice during lunchtime. It's 10:35 a.m. I might have to wait 4+ hours on this. It's already up about $100. Current price 471.41, and we're going to see if we can get a really nice move out of this one. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, guys, back on Apple. It is 12:10 p.m. February 8th, 2012. We definitely got a nice move up here. This is exactly what I was looking for. 200 shares, entry price 470.90, current price 473.15. We're up about $450 on the trade. I'm just going to go ahead and close that out when I get a chance. After I give it a couple minutes, just to see if it's going to keep moving up or not. But either way, the position is basically concluded. That's what I wanted to see. We had a little bit of a hiccup around 472, but it continued to move up even after that. It never got back down even close to my my stop area. So $450 gain on this. Now it's up to about 470. It's a great trade. It's really all you need for a good day's trading. So that was that. Just a recap of why I got into this trade in the first place. Procourse members will recognize the TTB as the two-timing bastard, and basically it's just a pattern or a setup that I like to play. Very principled setup. You have very specific things to look for. So basically it was just that. Price broke above an area of resistance, came back down to touch it, and bounced off of it. It's not really much more complicated than that. Now, why price does that? Well, that gets a little bit more complicated. But all in all, great trade, very picturesque, exactly what I like to see. I'm going to go ahead and close this out before it moves down any further. And that was Apple 200 shares, open price 470.90, close price 473.03 for $426 profit. Current price is about 473.10, so it's just kind of it's stalling up a little bit, which is what really pushed me out of the trade, but it's also approaching some resistance, which I don't really want to spend resources and risk encountering. So great trade. I'll look around to see if there's anything else today after lunch, probably around 1:30 or 2 o'clock Central Time. And if there is, I'll definitely make some more videos. If not, I'll try to make some more this week, and if not, then next week as well. So thanks for watching. Okay, guys, back in Apple again, 1:22 p.m., same day, February 8th, 2012. And what we just saw was a break of highs on Apple with pretty good volume. I mean, it's not ridiculously high, but it's definitely higher than normal. So counting on that, we're going to try to see this push up. And in a situation like this, the sky's the limit. Obviously, I don't hold positions overnight very often, but if this moves through here nicely, and if it kind of doesn't show signs of really reversing to the downside, I really have no reason to exit this position until the end of the day. So we're going to try to ride this out and see if we can get, maybe another couple $100 off of this. Okay, guys, just got out of a position here in Apple, 200 shares, open price 474.25, close price 475.84 for a profit of $318, and you can see how price moved up like this, and it just turned out to be a great position. In combination with my last play, I made over 600 today, and that is what I consider a great day. So great trade. Clearly I'm going to call it a day at this point and try to make some more trades tomorrow. And again, just a recap of what the reasoning was behind getting into this position. Basically, the bulls were alive today. We saw it break through the high of the day, which was here around 474.28. I got in 474.25. It poked through there, and then it kind of came back a little bit, and that's when I got in. So then it poked back above it and kept going for a while. So if I would have stayed in my first position from earlier, I would have made it considerably more. But it's okay to get out when you get a good trade and then get back in later on if it continues to move in that direction. So that was that. Good trade, and thanks for watching.